Good morning, baby. If you think gardening shuts down here in Louisiana in December, you're totally wrong. Uh, Today I'm going to tell you what to plant, when to plant, and how to prep it. All right. If you're new here, and this channel is about gardening in the deep south, our winters are mild. All right, let's jump into it. Now, people, I'm 84 years old. Not familiar with the iPhone or the iPad, but I'm trying to work them together. All right. Your cool, seasoned vegetables. You're talking lettuce, spinach, mustard greens, turnips, radishes, carrots, in South Louisiana especially. They like cool weather, and they actually taste better. Actually, they get a little light frost. Now, if you're going to plant in December here in this area, you need raised beds of well drained soil because the winter moisture will rot those roots and kill them. Something else you can plant, your flowers. Well, it's not food, but it's gardening. Your pantries, your snapdragons. If you plant them now, the roots tend to form. They'll establish roots and they'll stay color all winter long. All right. Now you got to watch your weather. Like yesterday, it was 70 something degrees. Last night was 40 something. Tonight's going to be 60 today. Tonight's going to be in the low 30s. So in Louisiana, you got to watch it. To protect your citrus trees, uh, your young vegetable seedlings, and your tropical plants. You protect those. All right, you can use a light bisqueen, light cloth, old blankets, move them close to the house where the house can radiate a little heat toward them. Just don't forget, in the daytime, remove those covers. Your plants will overheat. Now, the third thing about gardening in Louisiana or anywhere in the country, and now is a great time. You remove all your diseased plants, you cut back all your dead annuals, you leave healthy leaves as mulch. When you mulch around your plants and you mulch your raised beds in the wintertime, it protects your soil and it feeds you beneficial microbes. Also, a major problem with gardening is people don't clean their tools. They don't sharpen their prunes. They don't organize their seeds. They wait till the last minute, run out there and jump around and do their best with dull tools and full of cake, mud and stuff. Now, the fourth thing you need to look at is focus on December. It's your soil. Good plants and fertilized help. Good soil is the best. If you don't have good soil, people, you're really gonna struggle for a garden. You add your compost, you add your manure, you add your leaf mulch this time of the year. Louisiana tends to go from sandy to heavy clay. So and when you put your compost in your garden in the winter, it gives it all winter to kind of work in, and your worms and microbes build up and get ready for the spring. Now, number 5, don't laugh. Now's the time to dream for the perfect garden. You start your journal. Get you an old legal pad. I got my legal pad everywhere I go with a pencil. Big trick, never erase. Draw one line through it. That way you can look at where you've been and how you got to where you're at. You erase, well, how did I do that? never erase. All right, now back to gardening. You take your time, you get your book out, you start your journal, you order your seeds, you plan your crop rotation, and major part, take notes on what did and did not work this year. Call to action. Gardening don't stop. It just changes gear in the wintertime. I tried to make this educational. So if you like it, subscribe, drop some comments, and tell me what you're trying to grow this winter. Thank you.